What truly defines the quality of an inverter is the precision of its manufacturing. Every stage of production transforms technological innovation into measurable product performance. Powered by digitally connected manufacturing, precision production processes, and an AI-driven end-to-end quality inspection system, Higher Energy continuously advances inverter manufacturing to new levels of efficiency and reliability. The result is an industry-leading lean manufacturing base for high-performance inverters. This is the Higher Energy inverter manufacturing base. Here, manufacturing is more than a production process. It is about precision. It is about quality, because every inverter is built to perform today, tomorrow, and for years to come. The Higher Eco Park brings together R&D, manufacturing, supply chain, sales, and product showcase functions within a single integrated campus. It serves as the operational hub of the Energy Internet Platform, the Innovation Center for New Energy Technologies, and a comprehensive showcase for Higher Energy solutions. By combining Hare's proven lean manufacturing expertise with the specific requirements of the new energy industry, the facility has established an advanced intelligent manufacturing system powered by AI. The result is significant improvements in production efficiency, product quality, and manufacturing safety. At the heart of the campus is an intelligent operations center, the digital brain of the entire facility. A unified management platform provides real-time visibility across energy management, environmental control, security, workshop operations, and manufacturing operations management, enabling end-to-end monitoring and control. The MOM dashboard delivers full traceability from incoming materials to finished goods, while AGV-based intelligent logistics and a digital twin platform eliminate data silos to create a fully connected manufacturing environment, where every process is transparent, every decision is data-driven, and every operation is precisely coordinated. Equipped with intelligent 6-axis robots, dual-station automated conformal coating systems, and high-precision automatic screw fastening machines, the production line is engineered for end-to-end process control. Every manufacturing step is optimized to ensure structural integrity, thermal reliability, and assembly consistency. Product quality into every inverter from the very beginning. Building an inverter is only the beginning. AI safeguards every step. Higher Energy has established a comprehensive AI-powered quality inspection system that safeguards every step of production. Advanced AI automated optical inspection systems detect even the smallest defects with exceptional precision, while screw fastening quality monitoring continuously verifies assembly integrity and identifies up to 12 categories of installation anomalies in real time. AI-powered motion analytics monitor operator actions to identify process deviations and eliminate non-value-added activities, driving higher production efficiency and continuous lean improvement. An AI-enabled thermal imaging system provides 24/7 monitoring of potential temperature-related risks, issuing instant alerts whenever abnormalities are detected. All inspection data is seamlessly integrated with the manufacturing execution system, enabling closed-loop quality control that prevents defects from progressing to the next stage and ensures every inverter meets the highest quality standards. Powered by digital twin technology, the entire manufacturing facility is replicated in a real-time virtual environment. Without stepping onto the production floor, operators gain instant visibility into every production line, every machine, and every stage of manufacturing through a centralized digital dashboard. Real-time production status, operational progress, and manufacturing data are continuously synchronized, delivering complete visibility across the entire operation. This enables production management to evolve from reactive troubleshooting to predictive decision-making and real-time operational control. The result is a transparent, intelligent digital factory that drives greater efficiency, responsiveness, and manufacturing excellence. The facility currently operates 2 residential inverter production lines, while dedicated production lines for commercial and industrial inverters and microinverters are in the final commissioning phase. Both the C&I inverter and microinverter lines are scheduled to enter full-scale production this year, increasing the plant's annual production capacity to 400,000 units. In 2026, Higher Energy will further strengthen its manufacturing capabilities by bringing PCBA production in-house. 8 highly automated production lines will be commissioned, covering core manufacturing processes including SMT, through-hole assembly, and conformal coating. This strategic expansion will further enhance manufacturing quality, supply chain responsiveness, and production efficiency, reinforcing Higher Energy's ambition to establish one of the industry's leading intelligent manufacturing benchmark facilities for inverter production. Every manufacturing process is continuously refined through precision engineering and innovation, delivering greater consistency, superior performance, and lasting reliability in every inverter. Driven by innovation, built on quality, with end-to-end precision manufacturing, Higher Energy lays the foundation for uncompromising inverter quality engineered to perform, built to last.